Integrating Log4j with Selenium test. In this video I'll show you how to use Log4j with Selenium test cases. First we need to add the Log4j dependency. Navigate to the Maven repository, your supermarket. Search for Log4j and select this one, Log4j. Select the latest version. Click on the code and it is automatically copied, and paste your dependency into the POM file, your project file. Once the download is completed, the second thing we need to do is create the property file. Let's get the template from existing file. Go to the official website and click on the articles and tutorial section and select the first link. We'll get the log4j property config and log4j.properties file content, and we copy the content and the property file should be created within the resources folder inside the main Java. Then it will be inside your class path, else it will not be accessible. So this is very important. You place your property file inside the resources folder inside the main. Give the file name, and you can give any file name, and we are giving the relative file name logs test.log. The file name will be automatically created by Log4j. Let's create a simple Java class to include the sample code. We add a new class Log4j example and add a before class annotation testnd annotation, public void before class. Let's add code to set up the web browser driver. We are using WebDriver manager to do this automatically, and we have been doing this throughout our video series. Now let's see how to use Log4j. First we need to create a logger. There are many loggers, and ensure that you select the right one, org.apache.log4j logger, and the variable name logger equal logger dot get logger, and you need to give the class name as a parameter, log4j example dot class. So this will change from class to class. Every test case you or the class you need to include the logger. Logger.info Chrome driver setup is completed. So this log entry will go into your console as well as into the log file, the text file. Now let's add the before method. This code will be executed before every test method, as you know how testng works. Let's add a private variable for the web browser instance. WebDriver equal new Chrome driver. This will create a browser instance and launch the browser. WebDriver dot manage dot window dot maximize to maximize the browser window. Let's add a new log entry now. Log.info browser instance is created. Now let's add the test method at test. public void and a method name, test hrm, login, and inside the method you can add your Selenium code as well as log entries. So let's access our demo site hrm.pragmatictestlabs.com. This is our demo site we use for our examples. Logger dot. This time we'll use debug. Access the demo site login page. Now let's verify the page title, asset. Ensure that you are selecting asset from test engine, not JUnit. WebDriver.get title, the actual value, and then you have to go the expected value. Logger.info, another log entry, and let's give the expected value, ptl demo hrm, and the final log entry. Now let's run the test and see how it works. Test is running. It's very important to place the log4j.property file inside the resource folder within main directory. The browser is launched and you can see the log entry sign in the console. So we can write logs into console as well as into file. So it's not recommended to use system outs. It's better to use a framework like Log4j for logging. Let's refresh the folder and see the log entries. Two files are created because the content was heavy and it rolled into the second file. In the bottom you can see custom entries are created. Thanks for watching.